No, I'm not selling a course. No, you don't need to be tech savvy. And no, this is not drop shipping, Etsy, or anything you've already heard 100 times. This is new. This is working right now in 2026, and most people have no idea it exists. Stick with me for 6 minutes, your bank account will thank you. Quick, if you're new, I'm Kimberly, and this channel is literally just me finding the easiest ways to make money with free AI tools. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Okay, here's what's happening right now. Local businesses, your corner restaurant, the gym down the street, your nail salon, they're all desperate for short video content for Instagram and TikTok, but they have no idea how to make it. They don't have time, they don't have a videographer. That gap? That is your business. Here's the play. You use AI to make them 1 5-second video ads in about 20 minutes flat. You charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per video. Sell 5 in a day, that's $1,000. Get even 2 businesses on a monthly retainer of 4 videos each. That's $800 a month, completely passive from 2 clients. And you do all of this with 3 free tools. No camera, no editing skills, nothing to buy. Let me show you exactly how. Open Google Maps. Search any local business type restaurants, gyms, spas, anything. Click on one. Go to their Instagram. If their last reel was weeks ago or looks like it was made in 2019, that's your client. DM them this exact message. Hey name, I create short AI video ads for local businesses. I'd love to make you a free sample, no commitment. Just want to show you what's possible. Want to see one? A free sample offer almost always gets a yes. You're not selling, you're gifting. That changes everything. Go to ChatGPT free version, works perfectly. Paste this prompt word for word. Write a punchy 1 5-second video ad script for business name, a restaurant, gym, salon in city. Make it energetic and local. End with a call to action to visit or book online. You'll get 3 solid options in seconds. Pick the best one. This is the tool that makes this whole thing work. Go to Hailu OI, time video completely free. Upload 1 or 2 photos from the business's website or Google page. Paste in your script as the prompt. Hit generate. In about 2 minutes, you have a cinematic AI video that looks like it costs $500 to produce. The motion, the lighting, the atmosphere, it's genuinely stunning. This is what your client is going to see and immediately want more of. Drag that video into Canva free. Add their logo, a text overlay with the CTA, and one of Canva's free audio tracks. Export as MP4. Total time start to finish, under 20 minutes. Send it to the business. When they respond and they will say, "So glad you love it. I do monthly packages, 4 videos for $400. Want to get started this week?" That's a retainer. That is recurring monthly income. I know what you're thinking, Kimberly. I have 0 design skills. Perfect. The AI is doing 90% of the work. You're just the person with the idea. What if a business says no? Move on. There are literally millions of local businesses, and most of them have the same problem. One no is irrelevant. Is this saturated? In big cities, slightly. In your neighborhood, not even close. You are early. This is your moment. Your homework right now, before you close this video. Open Google Maps, find one local business, and drop their name in the comments below. That's your first potential client. I'm going to read every single one. The free ChatGPT prompts I used in this video are in the description. Grab them, subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down another side hustle that's even easier than this one. Let's get it.